What's up, guys? Today we're going to take a look at the best dust collector on the market for this year. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started. Number 5. Grizzly Dust Collector. Looking for an efficient and portable solution to keep your workspace clean? Look no further than the Grizzly Portable Dust Collector. The Grizzly Portable G8027 1 HP dust collector is a remarkable machine, offering incredible performance at an unbeatable price point. Designed to handle various woodworking tools such as sanders, router tables, and shapers, this dust collector is a true workhorse. Its portability makes it a versatile companion, allowing you to tackle big jobs even in remote locations where a regular shop vacuum falls short. Key features: 30-micron bag filtration. Ensures efficient capturing of dust particles, maintaining a clean working environment. 9-inch balanced steel radial fin impeller. Provides powerful suction, effectively removing debris from your workspace. Steel base with casters. Offers mobility and stability, allowing you to move the dust collector effortlessly around your workspace. Green powder-coated paint. Not only adds aesthetic appeal but also enhances durability, ensuring longevity. Paddle switch with safety key. Ensures safe operation, minimizing the risk of accidental activation. Number 4. POWERTEC Dust Collector. Introducing the POWERTEC DC5370 wall-mounted dust collector with a 2.5-micron filter bag, boasting an impressive 537 CFM. Compact design. Maximizes floor space and eliminates clutter in your workshop. Hassle-free mobility. The wall-mounted design allows for convenient placement, ensuring dust and pollutants are captured right at their source. Versatile compatibility. Equipped with a 4-inch inlet port, enabling direct attachment to various woodworking machines, including saws, routers, and planers. Efficient dust collection. With its dedicated setup, this dust collector efficiently extracts wood chips and sawdust, keeping your workspace clean and safe. Easy setup. Simply attach the dust collector hose directly to your machine's dust port and let the POWERTEC DC5370 do the rest. Optimal air quality. The 2.5-micron filter bag ensures that fine dust particles and pollutants are effectively captured. Number 3. Jet Dust Collector. Experience unparalleled dust collection efficiency with the Jet Vortex Cone Dust Collector. Key features. Style. Equipped with a 2-micron canister kit, ensuring superior filtration for a cleaner workspace. Rated for continuous duty. Boasts permanently lubricated, totally enclosed, fan-cooled motors, guaranteeing long-term reliability and performance. Fast installation and removal. Features quick-connect collection bags with elastic bands, facilitating hassle-free maintenance and operation. Quiet operation. The single-stage design produces only 70 to 80 dB of noise, allowing for a peaceful working environment. Vortex Cone Technology. This innovative technology enhances chip separation and collector bag packing efficiency, optimizing dust collection performance. Total portability. Comes equipped with 4 casters for effortless maneuverability, ensuring flexibility and placement within your workshop. Jet Red Assurance Guarantee. Backed by Jet's industry-leading 5-year warranty, providing peace of mind and confidence in your investment. About Jet Tools. At Jet Tools, our vision is centered around great brands, products, and people. We leverage our global infrastructure to deliver exceptional tools that meet the highest standards of quality, innovation, and reliability. Number 2. ShopFox Dust Collector. Keep your woodworking space clean and dust-free with the ShopFox W1685 Dust Collector. Designed to efficiently remove dust and debris, this dust collector offers powerful performance and convenient features to enhance your workshop experience. Powerful performance. Equipped with a 1.5 horsepower, single-phase motor operating at 3,450 RPM and a heavy-duty 12-inch steel impeller, the ShopFox W1685 delivers an impressive air suction capacity of approximately 1,280 CFM. This ensures efficient dust collection from woodworking machines, keeping your workspace clean and safe. Versatile operation. The ShopFox W1685 can be used as either a stationary, central dust collector or a mobile unit, providing flexibility based on your workshop setup and requirements. Oneida Dust Deputy Cyclone Kit. Upgrade your workshop's dust collection system with the Oneida Air Systems Dust Deputy 2.5 Deluxe Cyclone Separator Kit. Enhanced performance. The latest 2.5 model of the Dust Deputy Cyclone Kit delivers up to 2x the airflow compared to smaller cyclones and lid-style separators. Optimized for use with larger wet/dry vacuums featuring 2.5-inch hose cuffs and fittings, it ensures superior performance in capturing dust and debris. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.